Freefly is all about pushing the limits in the world of camera movement and drone technology, but sometimes this comes at a price. Crashes happen, even to the best in the business. When gear goes down, we got your back. Freefly offers repair services for all our professional and cinema products. Send in your equipment and we'll restore it to tip-top shape and make sure it's ready to go for your next job. For most repairs, our average turnaround time is 1 week, and we offer expedited shipping to get you back up and running as soon as possible. We start the repair process by thoroughly inspecting, cleaning, and evaluating the unit. Next, we repair any broken parts, update the firmware, calibrate sensors, and then move to our automated test sequences designed to stress each product. For drone repairs, we put each unit through our simulated flight test designed to ensure the unit is flight-worthy. Then we head to the field for a test flight to confirm your Alta lives up to the Freefly name. Next time your gear is down, reach out to our support team and we'll help get you back in the game.